Hello everyone and welcome back to my stream. Sorry about my microphone. Anyway, here we are. What have we done? So I have to do some optimizations on terrain, but whoops, not this. Close all. I was doing some work on my Mac. Don't ask why. All right. Cool. So what I did was a few terrain optimizations. But for now we're gonna use the all terrain. And we have a few more things to do today, which is we have a whole new batch of art. Okay. I have winter sprites. We have autumn sprites for these bushes. Some winter variation, I think. I mean, I don't. Yeah, I need to talk about this. This should look a bit different in the winter. Whoops. These two should look a bit different in the winter, so you know which one's which. But yeah, this is a summer variation. Whoops. Autumn variation. What else do we have? We have for the pine tree, we have pile of rocks and we have a few workbenches. Let me show you the photos from Discord. Things we'll have to build. Pictures. Where did I save it? Oh my god. Save the HTML. God. Okay. So we have a few workbenches. Look at this. So this is the cooking station. This is for making clothes and stuff. Metalwork and potions. Some sort of a doctor station. Right. So we'll add some of those today. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Enjoy. Let me slightly resize this. Other things, I'm trying to do some optimizations. Also, by the way, I think you might notice I've added animations. It's something the engine didn't support, but now you can see it on this campfire over here. I have some cool sprite animation for the fireplace. Cool. Right. Okay. Nice. So let's add a workbench. Clothing workbench, why not? Oh, and he split them like this. Okay, so let me check how I added the other one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? Oh, I think some of them are the same. Let me see. Okay, so there's 4 or this one. Okay. We can do that. Oh no. Oh no. God. Okay, new file. And we'll go here. And we'll do clothing. Oh, we should make a folder. One. One, two. Okay. One, 3. Okay. I like his new approach because then I don't need to have more than necessary. One, 3. So this would be 2, 1. Okay, how is this correct here? To 1, to 2. And 2 and 3. I think this is wrong. Okay, leave it there for now. So then we'll do advanced tailor 1, 1. Okay, what's the name of this guy? Clothing. Okay. PNG. 2, 3, 4. Whoops. This is good. 1, 2, 3. This is it. But now we need to kind of create it, right? So let's go to recipe table. You see, this is my mega JSON. Okay. Oh, did I copy it wrong? This is... right. Okay. It's a bit of a lot of JSON. A lot of JSON, but that's fine. Right. Did we copy it? Advanced Tailor, okay. Okay. So these are all the same, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. And then we will have 2, 1. Nope. How should I call it? We should maybe rename this guy to floor wood, wooden floor. To 1, to 2. This is rename. This is stone floor. Oops. Wood floor, stone floor, and this is chair. Should be at 2, 2. So let's do wooden floor, then stone. Right. Okay. Okay. Cool. So 1, 2, 1, 3. So this would be advanced tailor wood floor. Okay. Advanced tailor 2, 2. This is the chair. Advanced tailor wood floor again. Will this work? Okay. Wood floor again, and then wood floor again. Okay. And this will be stone floor. Oh, hey, Andrew. Yes, so actually, now that you mention it, there will be more art, but they will have different shapes. Also, did you subscribe or something? What's this icon? Fans. I don't know what that is, but thank you for it. Yeah, so basically, sorry, I didn't see the chat. The way they will look is like this. Okay. Now they're colored by the artist, but I want to have I want them to be grayed out, and then I will multiply it with the color of the wood, so you can have birch wood, some other type of wood, but this is the shape. Oh, nice. Amazing. Number one, probably and only. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Anyway, so this will be gray, and then in the shader I will multiply with some color to have different materials of different types of wood and different types of stone here. But for now I told my artist to color them. We will have 3 types of workbenches. This is the advanced version. There's a tiny version which is a 1x1 thing, and there will be a pro version that has a different shape and it's bigger. But for now, these are the kind of mid tier. This will be the layout, and then the colors I'll do them. Like I say, with color map. So I'll be like, I'll pick a sort of an ID here, an ID for the chair, an ID for the stone, for this, and then we'll have more variations based on the type of wood we add. For now, they're just gonna be this one color. So what I'm trying to do now is, because they're split into 1x1 blocks, I need to do my children placement for this guy. Okay. Also, this pixel here, fairly sure shouldn't be here, but we'll see. I think it's a mistake the artist did. On floor, okay. Woodsmith, is this a tailor? I don't know the name of it actually. Oh, it's called loom. But that's not quite a loom. Okay. Okay, we're gonna set it. Set it. I know, I think it's gonna be fine, but then there's one pixel I need to move somewhere else. I'm not sure if this is because of how he cut them, or we'll see. We'll see soon enough. So let's okay, these are the subcomponents. I think I should have separate files for this thing, but not today. There's still more lines to be had in this JSON file. Where's my workbench? Loom. Allowed worker offset should be fine. Okay. And this is errors because these are defined twice in the JSON. No problem. Okay. So I need to put this one. God, new Vim. Vim, sorry. Vim bindings. Why is this supposed to be 3 times here? Nobody knows. This is for localization. This is another thing that's not that great. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 3. So this is the easy one. Now comes the, I think, wood floor. And then stone floor. So this will be stone. Okay. And now these don't matter anymore because those are repeated. 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. These were useless. There's one thing we need to do, which is oh, really? Yes. Well, actually, I don't remember why there are 3 times in there. Yes. So the thing is, if I make them files, I just copy a file over and edit one thing, and that will be it. The thing is, I'm kind of experimenting with the artist, how he could cut this into pieces. So last time he sent me 3, like, these were on separate. So it was 1 1 1 2 1 3. So it was 3 by 3. Now he sent me these wooden ones, so they're tileable. So they repeated these 3 wooden ones. So for example here, I don't think the wooden ones are the same actually for this pattern. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm kind of experimenting with the artist on these workbenches, and once I make them files, it's gonna be easier, even if you're a bit verbose one time, because like I'm done now. So now I can just go grab this one, put it here. This is another thing, my localization enum IDs, this guy is in here. Oh, whoops. But basically, if I want people to modify my game, I should allow them to give them names. So I should have a localization JSON as well. Anyway, let's see if we have a loom. A loom? What's it called? A tailor. Also, on the other hand, it's like 4 workbenches plus the advanced ones. It's not that many. Let me pick a good position. Oh yeah, I know the yeah, localization is always a pain. So that's why I made sure I have IDs. So this guy, what the hell is this? Oops, transform 18024. Actually, I'm not sure which one's 00 for the workbench. Maybe it's this one. No, it's this one. 18024. Okay, let me try this. Remember this. And now we go here. Init test world. I don't know why this colors my. Okay. Did. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this would be a workbench advanced tailor 18 0. I think that was the height 24. Okay, let's see. Yes. Not yes. This is the opposite of yes. What is it missing? Wrap failed. Oh. We add a new texture, so we need to go in the texture packer. Regenerate my texture atlas. Actually, speaking of, I think my texture atlas is it's kind of filling up, and I have a few this junk I need to delete because these are test sprites that are just filling space, and this is some old artwork. So we need to kind of make some space here. Okay, so far it seemed to have been enough. Okay, No, okay. What is it this time? Really, what's it missing, I wonder? I think I missed some... Yes. Actually, even these days, it's good to have a sprite sheet because you can have one texture bound to your GPU for all of your shader programs. So that actually saves a bit of time because you don't need to bind textures and do all sorts of stuff. So I don't need to do any sort of memory management there or anything. I just have everything in one texture. Okay, let me see what... There's probably some naming being wrong. Advanced Tailor Wood Floor. Oh. Yeah. Okay. And I think this will be stone. Because the names need to match. I think I need to repack them. Okay, that's easy. Okay, which one's now missing? What? Excuse me? Oh my god, I hate the fact that in Windows copy is Control Shift C. Advanced Tailor Wood Floor. But this is here. And here. Also, these are wrong. I need to have... This is wood floor. This should be this guy for 2-2. Oh man. You know what? You're right with that tool. Wait, let me undo this. I'm also working on a pretty crammed space. Advanced Tailor 1.1. Wood floor. This is the texture type. What's the problem? And it's here. I know. A mega JSON. Okay, I think we can get to 10,000 lines JSON, no problem. What the heck? I mean, I'm running it again, not that it will have a different outcome, but I don't get it. What's wrong with you? This is spawn from type. Spawn. Oh, wait. Did we... This is a different error. Okay. No, this makes sense. Okay. Panic time. Panic averted. Crisis averted. Okay, so let me see. Spawn from descriptor. Item components get entity ID. Yeah, let me check what entity ID is that. I think I named them wrong. Which, again, that tool you mentioned. I can see myself making one. You know what? That would be actually pretty good. I can even draw it in Excel, you know what I mean? Like have a sort of a 3x3 cells that I put some data in. Wouldn't be too bad. Okay. What the heck did Vulkan? Okay. This thing, like I love Sid, but their debugger is a bit new. Actually, I'm not sure I should have condition, log message, hit condition. Their debugger is a bit new. I expected it to stop at the first panic, but then the thing is, if I crash due to a panic, I need to clean up my graphics code because today it panics in some graphics deinitialization. And that's where the debugger stopped, but there was a panic before that graphics deinitialization, which apparently went unnoticed by this debugger. In case this is misbehaving still, and as I can see it is somehow stuck now. Whoa, okay, it's bad anyway. Let's boot up good old VS Code. Okay. Their VS Code debugger integration is a bit better, but also VS Code has like super high lag on my Windows machine, especially when I'm streaming, so I would rather use the other one. Z. Okay, boom. Please don't be in graphics code, my dude. You are in GPU. Why? Okay, so actually that wasn't too bad. Okay. One of these doesn't have the recipe set up correctly. Whoops. We'll see now which one. Yeah, printing. I thought in the debugger I could see it, but no. Anyway. Okay. Okay, don't worry about this. Don't worry, panic, whatever. What's going on? Is it, I wonder... So we spawned some guys. This is an entity that we're trying to get and we panic. Why? God, what the heck? So tailor it item, yeah. This is correct. This is correct. Wooden floor. Another wooden floor. Another wood floor. And then stone. Actually, this is fine. This is the chair at 2-2. And then what's happening here? 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. Wood floor. Stone floor. Oh, do you see this? Necessity. Terraria means Dwarf for this. Oh, interesting. I love Terraria. Different takes on NPCs. Oh, and it's top down. This is cool. I'm totally getting this. I love Terraria, and this looks like a similar idea in terms of managing. It's more combat focused than Minecraft. This is why I like Terraria. I played so much of it. Okay, you see the bug. I don't know why it crashed over there, but we're not here to understand things. We're here to make progress. So 2-2 is missing. So it has no recipe. Oh, nice. This is something I need to think about because right now my dwarves every dwarf can do any job. So they're not specialized at all. So I want to see how... Gnomori had a really good system. It doesn't have an item component? Who doesn't have an item component? This has an item component. Who doesn't have one? I've never seen this error before, actually. You know what's the... This is the weirdest thing. This is the weirdest thing. Usually... Yeah, but look, everything has an item component, so I don't get it. Do I need to by any chance? Wait a second, this is woodsmith. Oh, sorry, and then tailor. And then one of the tailor sub things. Doesn't have an item component. Which is very crazy because it does have. So this is the tailor item component. Loom tailor item component. Item component. You see? But we'll do something else to debug this faster. This is actually not even in the most common errors are when I try to do something and I forget to regenerate the map, the atlas map. Generate terrain, spawn this guy. Okay. This is an entity holder with these child entities. Okay. Now, do I not need the log? Is it just info? Okay. Spawning from this guy. Okay. I don't understand though, but... So this would be a vector, so let's do another thing here. What does this return? Is it index and val? Okay. We need to adjust this a little bit now because of how we wrote that for loop. So components are defined here, so somehow one of these didn't spawn the right component. But now it's gonna be easier because I'm just spawning one of these tailors. Seven. Oh my god. What? What is this? That's tailor. No, this was it. Just trying to spawn the wrong thing. Look. I forgot to rename one of the things. And it was an advanced woodsmith stone floor instead of advanced tailor stone floor somewhere. But this is it. Tailor. Then. It does check that the JSON is fine before loading it, so it would fail at load if not. Yeah, so that was it. It's surprising to me that it failed like that. Because this function, which is like spawn, I would have expected it to fail by telling me it doesn't find the recipe, which that would have been a normal error. So somehow, I think when we spawn the children of something, we don't check that they spawn all of them. Let me check the code here. Oh my god. Look at this. My dude. I think spawning entity from type API shouldn't gracefully fail like this. I think it needs to return an ID for some cases, but what would be those cases? This is the log we needed. I'll leave that there as well. When would this be useful though? I can introduce some dummy ones in the recipe table rather than fail like this. I mean, just not returning any ID. Let me see if this is actually... I don't remember why I made this like this. Yeah, you know what? Don't think this is needed. This is way better, because now this is how it should have failed. I don't remember why I did that. I think I did it for some terrain work that I undid. So we're good now to panic here. This is a common error, to try to spawn something that doesn't have a correct recipe. But well, this is not needed here, then that's why it failed all the way here, because it spawned an entity with nothing on it. Okay. This isn't needed then, this isn't needed. Cool, so we have this loom added. The music I won't add, but I'll add my artwork. Okay. Yeah, they're so much nicer now. I think Rust did quite a really good job in terms of errors. And actually, LLVM and Clang started doing something like this for the newer versions. I saw, what? Don't move my file. I wanted to drag this. Okay. All right, so we have that. Whoops. Another thing I want to do is seasons. I think my artist sent me some seasons. Okay. Here. Nice. Yeah, so if I click on this, now we can make cloth hat, metal hats, cloth pants. We have everything here. You need to click on the right one of these, but I'll fix that later. Bandage, these are good. They're unprocessed because we have no cotton around here, I think. Yeah, I don't have any cotton plants. Okay. Let's add a new one. So this was actually fine. I couldn't see. Let's zoom in. I just can't see that well. Okay, that pixel is wrong there. There's no need for it. It's actually also a different color. Okay. Fixed. Of dirt. So we have this one. Let's do the kitchen. Clothing. Oh yeah. Exactly. Okay. So this will be the cooking. Let me try to be a bit more organized here. Okay. Whoops. Okay, cooking workbench. One, two. Oh, and one of them has a special treat. Oh, this one should have had it the same, but we'll see in a second which one. This one, oh, no. 3. That's the thing with games, they're just hacks upon hacks. Now, do we think this is the same wooden floor? Oh, and this is wrong. Tutu needs to be the chair. What? Did you see that? The preview here is wrong. It is correct though. It's a chair. Okay, but this for cooking is the same. So technically I could reuse the wooden floor. Okay, and all right, thanks for joining. Have a good evening. Okay. Let's rename this to wooden floor. Stone floor. Move it in David. That's not used. Stone floor. Wooden floor here. Let's put it here in the common place. Now I can go here and be, and this is actually the same chair, I believe. Yeah. Or no. Chair is different. Okay. Chair, workbench mid. And move it up. Because these are repeating, right? So I can save some space. David, clothing. Mid. I think this. Workbench. Loom. Anyway, we're gonna tailor. Okay. And this would be right. So this is the thing here for localization. This needs to have different names. Nice. This will save a bit of time, and these are reusable. Okay. Localization is there. We just made this a bit more reusable. Okay. Right, I want to reuse that floor, actually. Okay. Was this transform? 16.3. 16.3, 24. Okay. $16.3. Okay. Workbench, advanced kitchen. Okay. And now sprites. Let me see if I have it. I don't need this one. Okay. First texture. Advanced kitchen. Kitchen. What's those file names? Cooking workbench. Workbench. Okay. And these two are the same. Chicken. Stone floor, wooden floor, and the workbench chair made. Okay. So now we can just go here and take the advanced tailor and 2213. And let's rename things now. Kitchen. Kitchen. Advanced kitchen 1.1. Advanced kitchen 1.2. Advanced kitchen 1.3. Kitchen would be it's not like this, it would be workbench chair left, wood floor, wood floor, wood floor, wood floor, stone floor. Okay. Workbench chair left is the same as, I believe, one of these guys. No, this doesn't work as a link. Great. Okay, we need more music. Okay. That's kitchen, okay. Okay, cooking table. This worker offset needs to be redone. Okay, and now we do kitchen 1 too. Okay. One, 3. I don't think this is needed. And I don't think for the tailor we need this guy. One. Because it's only 1, 2, and 3 which are children. Yeah. Texture map. Nice. Workbench share left. We need to define this guy. Okay, let's hold these near each other. And then is this? Looks the same actually. Where's my kitchen? So I guess we can leave it to chair. So no need for this, no need for this, and no need for this. Okay. Whoops. No, not yet. Get texture type. Okay, we're repackaging textures, everything smooth. Nope. There you go. Oh, it's cutting over here somehow. Is it bigger than what's happening with the texture, I wonder? Let's investigate. Let's investigate. Yeah, this is too tall. Yeah, we need I need this soup to be smaller. So this one is wrong. And I can tell you why. It's because it's too tall and it doesn't fit in the guiding cube. Yep. This is wrong. So what we can do is delete this guy. Make it a bit more squished. But I need to ask my artist to adjust it. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna delete this guy. Like this. I'm gonna try to fix it myself, but that'd been easier if I had this art. Yeah, so we're very picky about these guiding things. Okay. I think this would fix it. So if we reload the game, okay. If we reload the game after repack the textures again. All right, this is fine. Cool. And we're gonna do on here. What's the, or maybe here is fine. Transform to 1624. Right. So the kitchen is good, is it? Let me double check something. New game. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Cool. Wooden workbench. Right. Actual build menu, campfire, cooking table, workbench, cooking table. This will not be that, it will be cushion table, blacksmith. Okay, so let's comment this thing. Everything. Cooking. Kitchen. Nice. Right, so let's do now the next one, which is the blacksmith. David is right. Blacksmith. One, two. This is gonna be nice because now we're gonna have a tiny animation here. 1, 3, 1. How should I? How do I copy all of the layers? This is me being an A-spread noob. Maybe like what? The thing is, I need to have these as well, you know? So like, I mean, merging them is fine, but then, oh, and then I copy the frames. Yeah, you're right. Flatten. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good one. Thank you. 1, 3, 1. Actually, yeah, this is. I like the fact that I managed to save one without the fire, but I need to. Zero. Okay. Cool. 1, 3, 1. Cool. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 2. What? Okay, I don't know what that is. 1, 3. No. I don't want. Three, two. Okay. We're cooking, boys. Sorry, misclicked. What? Let's see. Okay, but I think it's fine. Let's double check. If we open all of this, I think Sprite figures out this is an animation. No. Okay, we're gonna see it in game. Okay, I think it's fine. Cool. Nice one. Okay, so we have all of these. Okay, so the cooking one we did. The chair is the same? Yeah. Okay, cool. We don't need this anymore. And we'll do the blacksmith now. How many does this guy select at once? It's a bit annoying. Advanced blacksmith, and then let me check the guide from the artist where this should be placed. So this was a chair in the middle, just like this guy. Okay. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 frames of animations. And I think it's this. Nice. 1. This is it with these, and now we just need to make sure these are fine. So blacksmith 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Chair. This is floor. This is chair. Floor. Then floor, stone. Okay. Workbench type. I think it's called blacksmith. Worker offsets, will fix them later. Okay, and this is the wood floor and stuff. So if we run this now, oh, 1, 3. We need a few more items. Tailor. 1, 3. But here the texture will be 0 for the beginning. And this guy needs an animation component. Actually, let's add the animation after. Okay. 130. Good one. Run. This name IDs. These are wrong. And we need to spawn it. And I think we didn't take notes. To 16. Right, and then campfire. Sprite animation. Okay, this is good. If I click on it, yeah, iron sword, iron sickle, okay. And now we can go here, and 1, 3 is the one that also should have a sprite animation. Loopable, let's see. Look at it, it animates. It's not quite looping though. Is it supposed to loop? Let me check my... Maybe I cut it wrong. think it's supposed to be a bit faster. And maybe I'm missing a frame. Am I? What's happening? Yeah, I think the speed was an issue. Unless yes, I copied this wrong. Okay, so if we regenerate the thing now, it should be fine. Texture atlas. How cool is this? All right, so we have these done, and now potions table, and then we can think a little bit about seasons. And that would be a good thing to do. Okay, let's start the potions work already. Oh, and the baddies, we have gnomes. That's cool. Yeah, nice. Smooth operator. Okay. Let's commit this thing. Okay, now potion stable, and we're done with the workbenches for today. Oh, this again. Why do we have guidelines? Let me do a quick hack before I go back to my artist. Or actually, do I even need to do this? I can just do this. Just select the guy. Resize the guy here. Delete this here. And then I try to paste it on top of something. Whoops. Ah, come on, man. Done did everything. Okay. Okay. Don't know what's happening here. But I can tell you what's happening. It's programmer art. Okay. Cool. I'll tell my artist to fix those. In the meantime, we can do with what we have. What happened with the first one? Okay, same idea. We're going back to texture map. Workbench. Is it like this? Probably not, from what I can tell. What? Workbench potions table. Okay. Workbench potions. Okay. Cool. All right, so now let's get another one of these. Not the blacksmith, because this one has an animation. Kitchen, good enough. You're right. Yeah, I'm so bad with this, but it's fine because I'll tell my artist to adjust them properly. They can't be outside of that guide because it just doesn't work otherwise. Whoops. Texture map. Advanced potions, okay. One, two, 1, 3. And the potions one has a chair on the left. Floor, stone floor. Workbench, is it potions table? Yes. That's 1, 2, 1, 3. All right, so let's run this boy, make the textures map. Okay. we need to see where we spawn this boy. Don't really have where to spawn anymore. Blueberry plant. Where are you? 13.8. I'll move this one. This is good. And then this one is probably 12.7. Okay. 13.8. Okay. Not anymore. Sorry. Here's the thing. Oh, it went over the bed thing, bed frame. Let me remove this bed frame. I don't need it anymore. Yeah. Okay, even with programmer art it isn't too bad. And then if I click it, it's just one potion for vitamins. And this guy needs some grains. Farm, let's farm here. Whoop. I need more terrain. Okay, so here we are. It's a bit cluttered, all this debug UI. I need some proper cooler UI. I need to take care of these grains. There's some visual bugs I see. Oh, this is vitamins potion. Grains and baguette. We don't have enough, I guess. Oh, green. Nothing works with the grains anymore. What is this here? This is wrong. And that's the blacksmith 1, 2. Okay, so I guess here it's wrong. Just confused. Put the tailor thing in there. Cool, this is perfect. And I think the potions table is not supposed to. So cooking, potions. This 1-3 is wrong for potions. Potions table 1-3. Yeah. I mean, we could do better tools for creating these workbenches, but honestly, what? We did it in a couple of hours and it's done. And I'll do, what, one more day for the advanced versions. So honestly, I'm not about... I really need to fix spawning to not spawn through items. Other than that, they look fine to me. Pretty cute. Alright, so we need some more items. Okay. Cool. These are good. Good. No music so far. We won't check that in. It's too big. Oh, maybe for the potions table I can change my contextual build menu. Advanced workbench. Let's make the advanced one. Okay. All right, so we have a few more things to do before I can start giving this out to people so they can try it out. Menus, it's fine. But seasons is a big boy task. Whoops. Oh, is this because it doesn't have a texture? Okay, let's leave that as it is for now. Close this. Okay. These are the old textures. And I think they will just spawn over everything now. Yes. Oh no, cooking is the old one. Nice one. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We'll clean this up later. Now let's look a little bit what else we have from the artist here. Pile of coal, diamonds, rocks. These are stuff we can just replace now. Okay. Okay. Go here, pile of rocks, PNG. Is it... So these are the piles, okay. Or... rock or... pile of dirt. Is it like this? Yes. Gold. Pile of diamonds. Okay. Nice. No save. Coal. Whoops. Nice one. Pile of coal. And then I think we're missing iron. Ore. And gold. Okay. This is a easy change. Let's run this texture pack. Let's run this guy. No. Let's dig here. Okay, it's getting kind of crowded with these textures. I guess it's fine. I scale them down a bit. Okay, whatever. It's fine for now. Maybe a bit scaled down because you can't really see the guys anymore. But if you look at them only like this, it's fine. All right, other things we have are these things, which is nice. Boom, boom. Easy peasy. What else do we have from him? Cow, I think the cow is done. Oh, these bushes need to be done. The baddies. This is gonna take a while to configure. Terrain variations, okay. And season variation. So maybe seasons is a good next step. And harvested grains have 3 textures now. Okay. And we also have a mean bear. This mean bear with the red eyes. Okay. Okay. Let's push this. Okay. think I can do grass autumn PNG. And grass with flowers PNG autumn. Autumn. Okay, and then this is grass winter. Nice. So seasons, we have a bit of variation. I'll see how it looks when we spawn them. So we have winter grass. Terrain textures already there: spring, summer, autumn, but they're the same. So I'm gonna tune these up so they spawn the correct ones, and I need a system to change them. In the meantime, we can look at what we did today and do a little bit of a recap. We added a bunch of new workshops for clothes, cooking, potions. This was already existing for the woodsmith, and this cute one with the animation here for iron. Nice. No, actually, it's going to give. It's cool. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you all for joining.